Today we're going to show you how to replace the sway bar links on your Subaru Crosstrek, located behind the rear wheels. To remove the wheels, we're going to be using a 19mm socket. Make sure you put your lug nuts somewhere safe that you're not going to kick them around. Now, remove the wheel. Loosen the nut holding the sway bar link to the control arm with a 14mm socket and wrench. It can help to use a little penetrating oil on the nut of the sway bar link. Loosen the sway bar link nut using a 14mm socket. If the stud spins in the sway bar link, remove the boot from the sway bar link and hold using either a set of channel locks or vice grips. And use a 14mm socket to remove the nut. And remove your sway bar link. Install the sway bar link in reverse order. Install the nut. Tighten down the sway bar link nut with a 15mm wrench and hold the stud with a 5mm Allen. To line up the bottom of the sway bar link, we can use a punch. If you need to pry up on the sway bar a little bit just to get the bolt all the way through, that's okay. And install your nut. And torque the nut to 44 foot-pounds. Torque the upper nut to 44 foot-pounds. Now I'll put the wheel back on. Support the bottom of the wheel. Thread your first lug all the way in. The first lug will hold the wheel up for us. Snug down the lugs, but don't over tighten them because you're going to want to be able to torque them later. And now we're going to torque the lugs to 89 foot-pounds. Make sure you're going in a star pattern as you go around to bring everything down evenly.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.